you back in December. I was feeling under the weather. You tried to make it all better, but now all we do is play telephone.
Good morning, Coffee Fix. How can I help you?
Hi, can I please have a small iced vanilla latte to go?
Is regular milk okay?
Can I do it with oat milk, please?
Yes. Anything else?
No, thank you. It's for Kayla.
Kayla. Okay.
Thank you so much. The new card. Fresh card. Oh, I actually have 1 star. 1 star. Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 19. Woo! Say Happy Vlogmas Day 19.
Woo!
Tell everyone where we're going.
Woo!
Tell everyone where we're going.
You tell them. It's not my job.
Coffee Fix for me, then Starbucks for Jakey. If you go to the Starbucks by your house, I could order it for you. See you when you get the coffee, y'all. It's a good day. I'm ordering Jake Starbucks, and this is his order. It reminds me of what my brother gets, but it's an ice white mocha. He doesn't like caffeine, so he does decaf. No whipped cream, caramel drizzle, caramel brulee, cold foam, 3 pumps of white chocolate mocha. This drink is $7.60.
Oh.
It's just funny. This man normally charges $5K per minute behind the camera. Coffee Fix. So nice. Yummy. Starbucks. I put it in. Best part of the morning. I don't want to spill it on my pants because there's a little bit of coffee on the top. It's literally, I can't even explain. I hope everyone has an iced vanilla latte with oat milk this good in their life, you know? It's just like creamy. If you get Starbucks vanilla, it does not taste healthy. Not that this tastes healthy. It's so good. Woo! Hit it, sis. Hit it, sis. To Starbucks we go. Made it. Gonna run in for Jakey. Here she is in all her glory. Here you go. Give it a taste tester. Looks like a nice sugar bomb this morning. The first sip's always the best.
Woo!
Because you don't get any coffee in it. Good? My turn to drive.
It's my coffee. You got your own.
So good.
Alright, enough. It's mine.
Look how beautiful it is out. This is my favorite path because the palm trees look so stunning, don't you think? I guess maybe
Favorite
like
path?
like you know when
What are we in a hiking jail?
I was also gonna say me and Jake had this like telepathy thing where I just said something, like I just saw a sign and I just said it, and he goes, I was just gonna say that. You have telepathy all the time.
Do you want a medal that says telepathy, partner?
Kinda. I need to tie these shoes tighter. They're kind of big on me.
Yeah, they're mine.
Well, they're mine now. Remember you gifted them to
Yeah,
me?
you destroyed them, so I have no choice.
Jake, this didn't destroy your heart.
True.
Jeez Louise. How stunning is it out? I am not ready to be in cold Connecticut in a week. We're gonna do a quick Amazon haul. There's kind of a lot of stuff in here. So I decided I want to work on my skincare, and my skin is really clear, but I feel like it could be brighter and younger looking. First non-skincare item is this little alcohol ounce pour. It's like $3. I wanted to get it because I want to make the passion fruit Aperol spritzes, but I don't have the passion fruit, but I need to get it. It's really like nothing special. For the skincare, of course, I saw a TikTok yesterday saying, don't buy skincare from Amazon. Great to know now. But I just got the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I also looked up all of these items on EWG, which shows whether they're clean or non-toxic. All you do is type in the product and it gives you a rating. I think this was a 1 or 2, which is pretty good. It's like in the green. So Gentle Skin Cleanser, this is the water-based cleanser, and this is very popular. I don't see how this could be like fake. I don't understand, like it's Cetaphil. Tell me it's real. And I also just got these cotton rounds because I ordered the Paula's Choice toner. I ordered that from Paula's Choice because they were having 20% off and free shipping. So it was like 30 bucks instead of I think 40. So that was good. This is a viral product. I guess this is a Korean skincare brand, COSRX, and it's their snail mucin that we're gonna put on our face. But this is all in Korean. But I looked up I looked up all these on EWG and they're all like in the clear. I'm really just like nervous because like I said, my skin is clear and I don't want anything to break me out. But I'm assuming if these are all non-toxic, they don't have that junk in it that's gonna mess up your skin. And also I did a decent amount of research on all of this. All of these products had glowing reviews. So I think this isn't, yeah, this is an essence, but I believe it's very thick and you like kind of pat it in your hands and go like this. And once I try all these, obviously I will film it for you guys. I guess I got all Korean stuff. because I can't read any of this. This has a little bit of a rip, which is kind of sketching me out, but whatever. This is the brand Anua. This is a toner. Why did I get another toner? Or did I not get a toner yet? Oh, I think this is the only toner I got. I got a polished waist exfoliant. I don't know if I said toner. This one's all viral too. It's the Anua 77% heart leaf soothing toner. I don't understand how they could fake the products. Like, this is the real product from Amazon. I think I put this on the cotton round. I don't know, I'll have to figure out like the appropriate way to use all this. Next is Beauty of Joseon, another Korean brand. Also, like, who was getting in here? Because these are freaking hard to open. So this is a glow serum, niacinamide. I wonder if this has vitamin C in it. It's all in Korean. I can't read it. Apply 2 to 3 drops of serum onto face and pat gently to help absorption. I don't know. This was just a serum. And I looked up like the Korean skincare steps, and it's oil cleanser, which I have coming in tonight, water-based cleanser, toner, exfoliant, serum, essence, moisturizer, eye cream. I don't know, something like that. And this is actually an eye cream. This is from Beauty of Joseon as well, the same as the serum. I believe it has like caffeine in it, and it's really good for your eyes. So we're gonna give this all a shot and hope it doesn't break me out. Revive Eye Serum, ginseng, and retinol. Oh, that's good, it has retinol in it. This is the current haul. I will keep you guys posted when everything else comes in, which is just the Paula's Choice and the oil-based cleanser. Hoping that this all makes me have glass, glowing skin. Time to hop into work, so let's do it. For some reason, I'm getting this weird craving for peanut butter banana toast. And I think the last time I've had it was 2019. No, I'm kidding. But these bananas are looking great. These are probably the last day I would eat them because I kind of like a green banana. But I think I'm gonna do an English muffin, half peanut butter banana, half jam and butter. Let's do it. Just got everything out. This jam is the best ever. This brand Strawberry Preserves. And then like 3 years ago, I wouldn't be caught dead eating this, but life's too short and it's honestly decent. So I'm gonna make one for Jake too. I just put the sourdough English muffins in there. I'm gonna add some honey on top of mine with the banana. I'm really getting back to my roots. And then also a little bit of cinnamon. It's gonna be delish. These are so nice and toasty. Time to assemble. I just put the butter on. I'm gonna let it sit on the hot English muffin to melt for a sec. Oh my god, this is bringing me back to like college. I used to eat this. I didn't do the jelly side. I used to do this peanut butter banana one with the cinnamon protein English muffins every single day on the way to college. I ate it in the car and it was a hyperfixation for probably a year or two. It's kind of a lot. The butter is warmed up, yeah. Jam. Looks so good. Going to deliver Jake his.
Thanks, kid.
Now I gotta eat mine. PB banana side. Tastes like college, kind of freaking me out. Just been working, as you guys have seen, but I'm kind of starving. So I'm gonna just have some carrots, some of this Boathouse Farms Ranch quick little snacky snack. Little afternoon pick me up. Classic cola poppy, my fave. It's so hard to open this with nails. Tacos for dinner.
Really?
Yep.
What time?
What time do you want to eat? Like 5:30? You hungry? Early dinner?
I was gonna make a peanut butter and jelly.
So maybe like 5-ish, 5:30, 5:15.
Sure.
Ooh. It's going in the vlog. Sending it to your mom.
Really?
Yep. How to get Korean glass skin and look like a glazed donut. Step 1 is this toner from Anua. Put some of it in your hand, rub it between your palms, and press it into the skin. Instant glow. Next is the viral snail mucin. 2 pumps into the palm, press between the palms, press into the skin. Take down onto the neck. Look at the glow. House of Joseon Glow Serum. 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops. Press into the skin. Glass skin developing. House of Joseon Eye Cream. Pat in with your ring finger. Seal everything with moisturizer. Bring down the neck. Laneige lip balm. So glowy. I just tried the new skincare and look at my glazed donut skin. I just filmed it on TikTok. I inserted it into this video so you'll see that. And now I'm gonna do a cooking vlog on TikTok, which I will also insert here. Let me know if you like only YouTube or if you like the TikTok content too. But we're testing it out, so we're gonna make it on TikTok tonight while Jake plays video games. Make dinner with me while my boyfriend plays video games. Tonight we're making tacos and I am so excited. Step 1 always is to hydrate. My drink of choice tonight is going to be a lime sparkling water. This is everything you will need. Mexican cheese, tortillas, taco salad already prepared for me, hot sauce, chips, ground turkey, taco seasoning. If you don't yet have one of these mashers, you need it. I season the ground turkey with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes. And once it is cooked, go and add the taco seasoning. The taco salad has organic girl lettuce, olives, tomatoes, cheese, and onion. Avocado too. Mash, 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 mash.
Tacos, I can't wait, kid.
Going to heat the tortillas up in the microwave. Adding the taco seasoning. Adding some water. Mix, mix, mix. Just added cheese to the tortillas. And hot sauce to the salad. Yum. Dinner in 5. It is smelling insane. Time to plate. And dinner is served. Table is set. How was the game?
Took it out.
Oh, brutal. Yum. Lugs, dinner! Hey, Lugs. Time for dinner. Does anyone else do this? What do you think, kid? What's the rating?
I think a back pocket too.
First bite. Yummy. Say bye, see you next time.
See you next time.
I've been filming this all on TikTok. Dinner is ready and is looking stunning. Ready to eat?
Yup.
Not pictured in the TikTok. Back for seconds. Thanks, kid.
Show 'em
Yum.
the split.
Ooh,
Show 'em
that
the
looks
split.
unreal. Taco Bell who? Alright, we're back to the vlog for the night. Time to try the taco Jake made. We're sharing it. Because I only like half of things. It's really good.
Yeah, because I made it.
I'm going to Van Leeuwen.
Me too. Tonight. And I'm trying the praline butter cake and the PB brownie. And then I'm getting
You're getting what?
probably
Two flavors and then not getting them.
brown sugar cookie dough, which if you guys tried, you'd be blown away. And cookies and cream. Maybe hot fudge on the side.
I'm never letting them put fudge in my shit again.
Wasn't a fan favorite.
No.
McDonald's the day after.
It was great.
Ridiculous.
They put too much.
I don't know, McDonald's just was so good. It's so good.
I guess I just don't have a flavor I love. Unless we're laying in bed and the only option is Jake's sweet cream caramel brownie, then I love it. See ya at Van Leeuwen. Family dinner, miss you, Jerry.
Miss you, BDJ.
Do you guys notice that my skin's pretty glowy? Sitting here.
Eating food out of the pan like a psycho.
And what'd you guys just say?
Luxie took a shit in that pan, and I said I did too. So now you're eating shit tacos.
This is the said pan, by the way.
Now you're eating poopy tacos.
Logan's on dishes, Jake's on trash. I'm on editing.